According to Professor William Liebenberg, the BRICS cross-border payment system, officially known as BRICS Pay, is now entering its most critical phase. After 7 years of testing and political coordination, the system designed to replace SWIFT and reduce dependence on the US dollar is approaching a global rollout. BRICS Pay isn't just another digital app. It's a decentralized platform that connects national payment systems like Russia's SPFS, China's CIPS, India's UPI, and Brazil's PIX, all through blockchain rails that allow transactions in local currencies. The goal is simple: instant, low-cost trade without dollar conversion or Western intermediaries. To understand how we got here, let's trace the timeline. The idea began in 2018, when the BRICS Business Council first proposed a shared payment solution. By April 2019, South Africa hosted the pilot. Small-scale tests focused on local currency settlements. For years, the project remained behind closed doors, but that changed in 2024, when planning accelerated for a blockchain-powered network. By early 2025, momentum grew fast. In February, Brazil, then the BRICS chair, officially confirmed its intention to develop alternatives to the US dollar. 1 month later, Russia and China delivered technical reports outlining how a multilateral digital platform could use tokenized financial assets. And by July 2025, during the 17th BRICS Summit in Rio de Janeiro, world leaders publicly advanced the initiative for the first time. That Rio declaration didn't announce a new currency. Instead, it approved the BRICS Cross-Border Payment System Technical Report and instructed finance ministers to enhance interoperability among member nations. In other words, BRICS decided to perfect the pipes before turning on the water. Fast forward to October 2025, and pilot programs are still expanding. Russia, which took over the BRICS chair from Brazil, has begun onboarding more countries while testing ruble and yuan settlements. Some insiders even hint that 30-plus nations are quietly joining through bilateral corridors, though official sources describe the platform as under construction. So when will it actually go live? Early projections targeted the end of 2025, but Professor notes that several technical and geopolitical delays have pushed the timeline slightly forward. Between regulatory alignment, gold-backed settlement protocols, and the U.S. tariffs under the Trump administration, BRICS prefers precision over speed. The most realistic estimate now points to a prototype rollout in late 2025 or early 2026, followed by full-scale operations during 2026. That aligns perfectly with the ongoing gold reset and the global shift toward asset-backed trade, what Professor calls the return of real value. Let's recap the milestones. Project launch in 2018. South Africa pilot in 2019. Blockchain planning in 2024. Brazil's confirmation in February 2025. The Rio Summit report in July 2025. Russia's onboarding in October 2025. Prototype by early 2026. And finally, full-scale BRICS Pay operations by 2026, built on gold and digital asset interoperability with XRP integration. This phased approach mirrors how the internet itself rolled out, quietly, layer by layer, until it transformed everything. Once BRICS Pay connects national systems under one decentralized standard, it could handle up to $84 trillion in annual trade, all without the US dollar. 40 more countries are reportedly preparing to join BRICS. If even half of them adopt this payment system, the global financial landscape could shift permanently. The next BRICS summit in India may be where the final switch is flipped, marking the true beginning of the post-dollar era. The world is watching a financial reset unfold, not in theory, but in code. The foundation is ready, the networks are aligning, and the value systems of the future are being written now. BRICS Pay isn't coming soon. It's already being built in plain sight.